Hi everyone, welcome to another interesting lesson. In today's lesson, we want to solve this exponential and algebraic expression. We have x to the power of into bracket x minus 1 close the bracket to the power of 2 equal to 2x plus 1. We want to find the value of x. Solution. What we need to do here is to introduce our question. We have x to the power of into bracket minus 1 to the power of 2 equal to 2x plus 1. Now from here we multiply this expression to both sides. So we have, that is, we multiply x to the power of 2x plus 1 to both sides. So we have x to the power of 2x plus 1 multiplied by x to the power of into bracket x minus 1 to the power of 2 equal to 2x plus 1 multiplied by x to the power of 2x plus 1. So from here we can expand this. We have x to the power of 2x plus 1 multiplied by x to the power of x squared minus 2x plus 1, and that will be equal to 2x plus 1 multiplied by x to the power of 2x plus 1. Now from here we can combine this using our identity of exponents. We have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is combined as a to the power of m plus n. If we consider this identity, we can combine this. Then we now have x to the power of 2x plus 1 then plus x squared minus 2x plus 1. That will be equal to what we have at the right hand side, 2x plus 1. Let's put that in the bracket, multiplied by x to the power of 2x plus 1. So from here, this cancel out with this. We're now left with x to the power of 1 plus 1 equals to 2. And then we have x squared plus 2. Which is equal to 2x plus 1 multiplied by x to the power of 2x plus 1. So this gives us x to the power of x to the power of 2 multiplied by x to the power of 2. And that will be equal to 2x plus 1 into brackets multiplied by x to the power of 2x plus 1. Then this gives us x to the power of 2 x to the power of 2 multiplied by x to the power of x squared, which is equal to 2x plus 1 into bracket multiplied by x to the power of 2x plus 1. Now from here we can now equate what we have here together. So we equate this with this, and we equate this with this. Whichever one we do, we have the same expression. So if we have x to the power of x squared equal to x to the power of 2x plus 1. So we discover that the bases are x, and we can equate the exponents. So we have x squared equal to 2x plus 1 if we equate the exponents. So from here we can bring this 2x plus 1 to the left hand side. We have x squared minus 2x minus 1 will now be equal to 0. So we have a quadratic equation over here where our a is equal to 1, then b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to minus 1. Now from here, applying the quadratic equation, we have x to be equal to minus 2 minus into bracket minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 to the power of minus 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1, then multiplied by minus 1. Everything will now be divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So from here we have that x will be equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 then plus 4 over 2, and this will be equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 8, which is over 2. Then we can simplify this as 2 plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 2 over 2, and this is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 give us 2, then square root of 2 all over 2. So we have that 2 is common, so we can factor that out. We have that to be equal to 2 into bracket 1 plus or minus square root of 2 then over 2. These 2 can cancel with these 2, and that gives us the answer to be 1 plus or minus square root of 2 as our value of x using the quadratic equation. Now let's verify this value of x. Verification. So we have from our question x into x to the power of x minus 1 to the power of 2 is equal to 2x plus 1. And we know that x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 2. Okay, that means our value of x is 2, which is, from this we have x1 to be what? 1 plus square root of 2, and x2 to be 1 minus square root of 2. So we use these two values to verify our expression. Then from here we have, if we substitute this value, we have that to be equal to, so at x equal to 1 plus square root of 2. So we now have 1 plus square root of 2 into brackets to the power of 1 plus square root of 2 minus this 1 minus 1, everything to the power of 2 is equal to 2 into bracket 1 plus square root of 2, then into bracket plus 1. So if we simplify this, we have this give us plus 1 minus 1, we negate each other. So we have to the power of 2. So we now have 1 plus square root of 2 to the power of square root of 2 squared. Okay, so this square cancel out this square root. We now have 1 plus square root of 2 into bracket to the power of 2, and this is equal to 2 plus 2 square root 2 then plus 1, and that will be equal to 2. So we can add this plus this together to give us 3. So plus 2 square root 2. So from here, if we expand this left hand side, we are going to arrive at 1 plus 2 plus 2 square root 2 into brackets equal to 3 plus 2 square root 2. So this added together, we have 3 plus 2 square root 2, which is equal to 3 plus 2 square root 2. So left hand side equal to the right hand side at x equal to 1 plus square root 2 is the correct value of x. So considering the second value of x, at x equal to 1 minus square root 2, putting this value of x into our expression, which is x into bracket to the power of x minus 1 squared equal to 2x plus 1. So we also have that 1 minus square root. This gives us 1 minus square root 2 into brackets. This over here becomes to the power of 2, which is equal to, multiplying this, we have 2 minus 2 square root 2 plus 1. So from here we have this to be expanded as 1 plus 2 minus 2 square root 2, which is equal to, this 2 plus 1 give us 3 minus 2 square root 2, and this can be written as 1 plus 2 give us 3 minus 2 square root 2 equal to 3 minus 2 square root 2. Which implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Implies x equal to 1 minus square root 2 is a correct value of s as well. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, with all notification bell turned on, and share this video to your friends and loved ones. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.